Hey, what's up, everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I just wanted to give you a tour of one of our Airbnbs that we rent out and used to generate extra income that we used to live off of. This is one that we haven't fully quite furnished yet, but we've been renting it out to guests, whether they are families that want to come here for like a day or 2 or 3 days, but it's pretty good to go and it's very simple. One of the reasons why I'm documenting this is for me to, as we get another Airbnb, if the layout is the same, for me to get an idea of how we laid out the space and to also share with you. If you're looking to get into furnishing an apartment and doing an Airbnb, maybe you can get some ideas of how this place is set up. So I'm going to take you guys on a full tour, and then I want you guys to let me know how you think, what you think about it. The only thing that I ask in return is that you hit the like button underneath this video, and that's it. All right, let's get to it. So let me show you guys the entrance. So typically, this is how you would enter the apartment. And we have a lock system here. There's a code on the backside where each guest use their code to enter. So this way, all the guests can check in, check out, and they don't have to interact with me at all. Everything is done with the locks. We obviously have a big window in the living room, and then some nice plants that we brought in to bring in some greenery. We have a TV here, and then there's a couch here. We purposely bought this couch because it's easy to clean. It's a very nice texture, like suede kind of, but it has a little bit of a gloss finish to it. And then we have like a little couch here that you can bring close to here if you want to have a interaction. Because of the space, we didn't want to get a big sectional. So this was good. So let me show you guys a wide angle. So the TV is there and the couch is there. This was a gift, so I decided to put it on here. It's just the map of the world. So I just decided to put it up there to kind of share this with you guys. Dun, 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 dun. There goes Nigeria. And then you can see the countries that border Nigeria. All right. And then it just kind of shows the whole world: China, Brazil, USA, Canada. It's just a cool little design. All right. And then this is the dining area. So this is an open floor space, which means you can see the kitchen, the living room, the dining room all in one place. All right. So as you guys can see, let me give you a 360 tour of this place. So this is pretty much the living room and the kitchen area. So I am going to go start with the kitchen, and then we're going to explore the 3 bedrooms. So we have a trash can here, of course, that you only have to press here for it to open up, so you don't have to touch it at all. Pretty cool stuff. We have a coffee maker, some coffee creamer, some sugar packets and stuff like that, a mug there. Then we have cups of different varieties, different sizes, and then we have a measuring cup for people that cook. And again, we're trying to keep this very, very minimalistic, not a whole bunch of things, because people are just coming for a few days. And then people that want to cook and bake, they have like pots for different things to fry eggs, blenders, toasters, like bread toaster, all types of stuff here. All right. And then we have like a, salt and pepper. Everything else is standard, microwave, oven, things like that. But for people that like to do a lot of cooking, we have a set of knife, big, small, little. And then these are just small little cutting boards, okay? And then of course, regular fridge as usual. But we typically try to make sure that we have an ice maker. So our guests, when it's hot, they can at least have ice to use. Just regular fridge. It has a dishwasher. We just use this to store cleaning items as needed. So nothing crazy here. We have a dishwashing soap that we use to refill all the time. And then kind of like a sponge that we can put in a dishwasher. We can wash fully before the next guest comes in. So that comes in handy. Everything else is just storage things. So that's pretty much the kitchen. It's very basic, very simple. It has everything that you want or need. So now let's check out the bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1. Every room has a TV. So you guys can see there's a TV, there's the bed, and these are all Roku. And then there's a little painting there. Very basic nightstand. We need to add like a lamp over there. And then this is just a closet that you can see. Like I said, it's not completely fully furnished yet. There's a few things that we need to add. And then bedroom number 2 is here. As you guys can see, this doesn't even have the headboard yet. And we need a little bit more painting to spruce it up. And again, this one has a TV and a nice little couch there. You guys can see we have the lamp, so we just need a nightstand. Again, this has a closet of its own. Let me show you guys bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3, same design, a TV, a bed, night dresser here. Let me show you guys something cool. This actually turns on with the tap. Darn. It's not working for this one. Let me see if it's plugged in properly. That's not this style. Anyways, I can't show you guys the magic today. So yeah, so that is bedroom number 3. We need a little bit more painting there as well. And then let's finish with the bathroom. So we have a all-in-one washer and dryer. We have a hand washing soap. These can be things where to store extra towels as needed. We have towels here that has kind of like face towel, things to take a bath, and then a long towel. And then this is the bathroom. Very simple. There's a tub here, and then toilet here, and trash can. Very simple. All right, guys, that is the tour of one of my Airbnbs in US. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of how an Airbnb is set up. In terms of rental, people usually come here to rent for a day or 2. We most likely attract families because it's a 3-bedroom, or sometimes people get together and put money together and go to a space. We're in an area that we're at is accessible to a lot of things. So yeah, that's why this area was strategically placed. One more thing I need to show you guys is that there's an electronic lock. So anytime we have a guest, they just use the code that's assigned to them to access the apartment. So you don't have to exchange keys all the time. Abby. All right, guys. So thanks, guys, for going on a tour of the Airbnb with me. What do you think? What would you change? What would you improve? Do you like it? How much would you pay for this place per night? All right, guys. Thank you so much. And remember to rise and let your light shine. Peace.